Do you think sending thank you note or saying thank you after the successful interview can change the entire game? Yes, it can. Let me tell you some story behind thousands year ago. When this tradition, when this culture came, why to send and how to send a thank you letter. Actually, this thank you letter, the culture came from Egyptian civilization. At that time, if anything good is happening back thousands years ago when Chinese and Egyptian civilization they got something gift or got something valuable in their life, then they were sending a thank you letter to the people who has given the gift or who has transformed something. So back then, thousands year ago, this culture started, and now this is even beneficial during the interview as well. Now, the question is, let's suppose interview is not well, or you are not a good fit. Do you really think you should send thank you letter even after that? For me, I would suggest never miss the opportunity or never miss the chance to say the thank you to anyone if that person has given you the time. You can say politely, thank you for your time. I enjoyed your time, but I would be pursuing this another opportunity and give the valid reason if you want. So today we are going to talk about thank you letter, thank you notes. But before that, thank you so much for showing much love to my all the previous videos, and thank you for subscribing the channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, hit the like button below, subscribe the channel, share this video. If anybody need help in job search or job success, today we are going to talk about follow up. As soon as the interview finish, do you think you should follow up with a thank you letter or thank you note? I think it's mandatory. It's not an optional option. You have to send a thank you letter or thank you note to the person who has given you the time during an interview. If it is a panel interview, then if you have the contact, if you have the email, go ahead, shoot your email. And if you don't have, at least give the person who was, at least give one person who was there with you during that interview, who was taking the interview. Why to send a follow-up mail or thank you mail? See, research says 63% of hiring manager love to see thank you note, and if you are sending the thank you note, you are already standing ahead from the crowd. 27% are people who has not performed well into the interview, even they got chance with this ninja technique that is called thank you letter. Yes, we had done the research, Career Development College of London, and the research says 26% of applicants they were not able to perform during the interview. They got the opportunity with this ninja technique, thank you email and thank you letter. So if you're not following this, take this major key take away from today's video. Start following. If you are getting chance for interview, be thankful to God first of all, and second, if you are getting the chance for the interview, you are in the interview, you are talking with the recruiter, thanks to their time, and it will change the game. Never miss the opportunity to say or send thank you email or thank you note. When you should send the thank you email? The question you should ask, when you should send this thank you email. So the answer is, as soon as you finish the interview, your first mail or first follow up should be a thank you email. Yes, No call to action, no request, just thank you for your time. And I would suggest, my personal suggestion, you better to personalize that mail. If you are writing with the name, let's suppose I'm taking an interview and the candidate is sending mail to me, so he would say, "Hi Amar Pratap, thank you for your time." If I am giving the interview, so I'll mention hi first name. You have to personalize your content for thank you email. And the what should be the email subject? So I'll give you some example, 2 to 3 email subject example. Number one, thank you for your time. Or if you want to mention with the personalized note, thank you for your time first name. Thank you for your time Amar Pratap. Like this. You can mention thank you for today's interview. Or else, I enjoyed the meeting you and the team. So these are the example which you can use for the thank you email, and it is a ninja technique. It will change the game. Your email subject should be a hook, should be a gratitude for the time they have given to you. And last but not the least, if you are confident that you can be selected, you show your interest into the position as well, for that position which you have given the interview. Let's suppose you have given the interview for data science developer. So in that thank you note, you can show your interest for that position as well. Yes, so that's all for this thank you note. These are the 4 tips. Follow this and start changing the game from getting the job and to change the game to stand out from the crowd. There are few important update. Number one, every Saturday we are meeting live morning 11 o'clock in our Facebook group. So if you are not part of that Facebook private community, go ahead and join the group, and you can ask your personal question in that group also related to career growth. Number two, 31st of July, morning 11:30, we are conducting free mock interview session in association of Sahyog Charitable Foundation. So in this interview workshop, we are going to discuss so many questions which are being asked, which is common in all the interviews. So if you want to be part of that mock interview session, go ahead, register yourself, and let's change the game. Let's make the world better place to live. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Keep learning, keep signing. All the best. Take care.